Feeling sluggish, tired, and battling neuropathy symptoms. Or perhaps you often find yourself with a foggy brain. These issues are more common than you might think, and the underlying culprit might be chronic inflammation. This silent adversary is linked to many health problems, but the good news is that the secret to alleviating these symptoms could be sitting right in your kitchen. Chronic inflammation is an epidemic of the 21st century, recognized as a major contributor to many chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, bowel diseases, and various cancers. Understanding the root causes of inflammation and making necessary lifestyle changes can significantly reduce its impact. One of the primary contributors to inflammation is processed foods. These foods are loaded with refined sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives, which can ignite inflammatory processes in the body. Eliminating or minimizing the intake of such foods and focusing on a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods can make a significant difference. A sedentary lifestyle is another major contributor. Regular physical activity helps maintain a healthy weight and reduces inflammation. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week to keep your body active and inflammation at bay. Chronic stress is also a significant factor. Ongoing stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that, when persistently elevated, can lead to chronic inflammation. Incorporating stress management techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, or yoga into your daily routine can help lower stress levels and, consequently, inflammation. Poor sleep quality and inadequate sleep disrupt the body's natural repair processes, contributing to increased inflammation. Prioritizing good sleep hygiene, such as maintaining a consistent sleep schedule and creating a restful environment, can help improve sleep quality and reduce inflammation. Environmental toxins, including pollutants, chemicals, and allergens, also play a role in inflammation. Reducing exposure to these toxins by using natural cleaning products and avoiding known allergens can help lower inflammation levels. While these lifestyle changes are crucial, there are also lesser-known anti-inflammatory heroes in your kitchen that can help squelch the fires of inflammation and promote nerve recovery. Number 1. Avocados. Avocados are often associated with Mexican cuisine but are also powerful anti-inflammatory foods. They contain heart-healthy monounsaturated fatty acids, antioxidants, fiber, magnesium, potassium, lutein, and vitamins B, C, A, and E. The polyphenol in avocados are particularly potent, as they reduce enzymes responsible for producing pro-inflammatory prostaglandins. Number 2. Mushrooms. Another surprising anti-inflammatory food is mushrooms. Rich in polysaccharides, phenolic compounds, indolic compounds, fatty acids, and carotenoids, mushrooms inhibit inflammatory compounds and neutralize reactive oxygen species, which cause significant damage to nerves and other cells. Additionally, mushrooms are a great non-animal source of vitamin D, with the richest anti-inflammatory compounds found in varieties like reishi. Number 3. Green tea. Green tea is a powerful anti-inflammatory beverage due to its high content of catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. EGCG significantly reduces oxidation and inflammation by decreasing pro-inflammatory cytokines and oxidative stress. For maximum potency, drink matcha green tea, which involves consuming the entire tea leaf ground into powder. Number 4. Berries. Berries are packed with anthocyanins, caffeic acid, catechins, quercetin, and tannins, which shut down inflammation and offer neuroprotective effects. Research has shown that berries can protect against neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's, ALS, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, and cerebellar ataxia. Number 5. Red onions. Red onions contain a powerful anti-inflammatory flavonoid called quercetin. They have the highest concentration of quercetin, which limits leukotrienes, prostaglandins, and histamines, all of which can trigger inflammation. To preserve quercetin, consume red onions raw or add them to cooked dishes at the end of the cooking process. Number 6. Capers. Capers are another unexpected anti-inflammatory powerhouse. These unripened green flower buds are rich in protein, fiber, calcium, iron, and other vitamins, with a particularly high concentration of quercetin. Capers can be added to salads, fish, meats, or Italian dishes, providing a significant anti-inflammatory punch. Number 7. Rosemary. Rosemary is a herb with antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant effects. Clinical studies have shown that rosemary can reverse inflammation, decrease pain, protect neurons, and even improve cognition in the elderly. It also protects the liver, which plays a significant role in modulating pain. Number 8. Spinach. Spinach is a vegetable rich in folate, vitamins B1, B2, B6, and alpha-lipoic acid, all of which support nerve regeneration and function. Additionally, spinach is packed with antioxidants, including lutein, which protects nerves from oxidative damage and chronic inflammation. Lutein, commonly associated with eye health, also plays a crucial role in reducing inflammation by decreasing pro-inflammatory cytokines. The high fiber content in spinach aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut, further supporting the body's overall inflammatory response. Incorporating spinach into your diet can significantly bolster your nerve health and reduce inflammation. Number 9. Bone broth. Bone broth is an excellent anti-inflammatory tonic, supporting both nerve and gut health. Made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues, it is rich in amino acids, minerals, and collagen. These nutrients help repair the gut lining, crucial for managing inflammation by preventing harmful substances from entering the bloodstream. Additionally, bone broth contains glucosamine and chondroitin, which reduce inflammation and support joint health. Incorporating bone broth into your diet can alleviate neuropathy symptoms and promote a healthier digestive system, making it a comprehensive tool for reducing chronic inflammation. Number 10. Turmeric. While turmeric is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties, it's important to recognize the vast arsenal of potent allies you have at your fingertips in your kitchen. Peripheral nerves are the slowest healing tissues in the body, so utilizing your diet to assist in this battle can potentially speed up the healing process. Making informed dietary choices and incorporating these lesser-known anti-inflammatory foods and tonics into your daily routine can significantly improve your overall health and well-being. By doing so, you can quench the flames of inflammation and ignite the sparks of nerve recovery. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share it with others. Thank you for tuning into Inner Health Zone. We'll be back for more health and wellness content, so stay tuned.